Okay, guys, welcome to Module 1. In this module, our expert will show you how to get started with Campaign Manager. So get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Alright, so let's get started with creating our Campaign Manager account. First of all, what is a Campaign Manager account and why would you want one? A Campaign Manager account gives you access to LinkedIn's Campaign Manager. The Campaign Manager tool will then allow you to create ads, like this, so you can advertise on LinkedIn. If you want to advertise on LinkedIn, you'll need a Campaign Manager account. You can think of it as an advertiser's account. Now, the cool thing about a Campaign Manager account is that it comes with a regular account. You don't need to create another account. You just need to log into your LinkedIn profile, as I did here. This is just an ordinary LinkedIn account. To create your Campaign Manager account, just click on Work, then Advertise. Since I am a new advertiser, LinkedIn needs some information before it can create my Campaign Manager account. The first is the account name, to help you identify this account, as you can create multiple ad accounts. The second one is the currency you will use. Take note that this is permanent. You cannot change it once you set it, so be careful. However, you can create a second ad account with a different currency if you plan to use multiple currencies. Finally, you can connect a LinkedIn page to your ad account, which is optional but highly recommended, as it allows your ad to appear in the newsfeed as sponsored content, like this one. But for now, I will not connect a page. Finish up by clicking on Create Account. So here is LinkedIn's Campaign Manager. If you've never used a similar tool before, it can look overwhelming. So let's break it down a bit. There are three main tabs. The first is Accounts, as you can have multiple ad accounts. The second is Campaigns, which you cannot access yet without selecting an ad account. The third is Ads. If you want to create another ad account, just click here on Create Account. Existing ad accounts will appear here. If you have a lot of ad accounts, this list will be more populated. Currently, I only have one. By hovering your cursor over the account name, you can either edit it or view its performance. Clicking on it will open up the Campaign Groups tab. Campaign groups are just a way for you to organize your campaigns. It can prevent things from getting out of hand. A campaign group can have different campaigns under it, and it's up to you on how you want to structure your various campaigns. Here you can find the group name, the status. Active means you have it enabled, but it's not running. It hasn't received a go signal from LinkedIn. Just hover your cursor in the small eye icon for more information. Here's the money you spent on advertising, using the currency you selected. The impressions, or how many times the ad has been viewed. Clicks, how many times have people clicked on the ad. The average click-through rate. Average cost per 1,000 impressions. Average CPC. And so on. Above, you'll find controls to drill down anything you want to find. So for example, I can just view data from the past 30 days, or from a specific range. And I can also sort the data in a descending or ascending manner. You can also export this data as a spreadsheet for further analysis. Just click on Export. Select the data you want and export. Think of these three tabs as zooming in, going from something generic to more specific. As previously mentioned, a campaign group will have one or more campaigns under it. A campaign will have one or more ads under it. Campaigns have the same controls as campaign groups. So again, you can sort by descending or ascending order. You can apply filters. You can select specific date ranges. And you can search by campaign name. And you can search by campaign name if you have a lot of campaigns. Ads are also pretty much the same, with more or less columns. Going up, you will find website demographics. This is similar to Google Analytics. It basically reveals statistics about your website. And like Google Analytics, you have to install something first before it becomes available. In this case, they're calling it the Insight tag. Beside the website demographics is the account assets. These are tools that are valuable to creating and managing ads on LinkedIn. And last but not least, the universal symbol for settings, the gear icon. Clicking on it will allow you to customize a few things relating to your account. Oh, and one final thing. You need a credit card to run ads on LinkedIn, as that is how you will pay them. And that's our short tour and overview of LinkedIn's Campaign Manager. In the next video, we'll be creating our first ad. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.